I'm too tired for this shit. I went to bed at 1 a.m., which probably was not a good idea, but I went with my mom to TJ, obviously, to go get our nails done and things. I love going out there. I have global entry. I got that a hot minute ago because I don't like waiting in the TSA lines and all that kind of stuff. So my mom doesn't have it. Therefore, I had to go through the regular line to get through the border. And it was the worst. We literally, and I'm not even exaggerating, spent 2.5 hours in the line. When you go through the sentry, it's like 10-15 minutes. We didn't cross till almost 10:40. We didn't get to the other side, should I say, until 10:40. And by the time I got to my house, my mom ended up sleeping over. Obviously, I wasn't going to let her drive home that late. So by the time I got home, it was 12:40. I'm so tired. I don't think I'm at the point in life to like desvelarme and go to sleep so late without feeling it the next day. Like, I feel hungover. I'm like zoning out. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh, and then I was choking. I woke up choking on my own saliva. How did that happen? I don't know. I'm so tired. My body doesn't even know how to function on its own. I have like a good 10 minutes left to sulk. And then I have to get up and get ready because I have an MRI that I have to do today. And then I'm seeing one of my friends from middle school. She was my best friend in middle school. So I haven't seen her in more than a decade. Has it been more than a decade? For sure more than a decade. So we're going to catch up, and I'm going to try to vlog. But if it's a lazy-ass vlog, this is why. All right. Oh, and by the way, my breakfast was chips. I love these. They're my favorite. Chips. So I had chips and the Príncipe galletas. And water. Water was the only responsible thing. Anyways, I'm gonna just take a mini power nap and and then get on with my day. But at least my nails look cute. I also wanted to show you some footage of the time that I unboxed my iPad Pro that I got, and I will insert it right here. It's a little ASMR moment too. So I'm gonna whip up a little breakfast before I head out. I need to get my car washed, so I'll probably do that and then head to get my MRI. See you in the car.
Clothes gon' face that. We get into the crib in a little bit. I can show you how I live.
Okay, let's go. I'm late. Okay, so I just got out of my scan. I feel a little loopy, I'm not gonna lie. I should have drank more water before going in. It was so loud. It was so loud. The machine was so loud. I had earplugs in and it was still so loud. Yeah, it was insane. Insane in the membrane. But I need this scan to see how I'm doing internally. If the treatments have been doing their job, and I also need this for my next doctor's appointment. So my gosh, it was nuts. I am claustrophobic, so going in that machine that is like a little tunnel that you're practically in for 30 minutes just in the tunnel. I thought I was going to be freaking out. And they said if you're claustrophobic, they will give you like a medication that a doctor can prescribe that calms you down. But the shit is, like, I don't want medication. So I toughed it out and I was fine. What helped me is I didn't open my eyes, not once, when I was in the tube tunnel, whatever, that machine, the MRI machine. I didn't open my eyes once. The minute that the sliding thing was gonna go in, I closed my eyes. And I just imagined I was in a big, huge room with a lot of space and a lot of breathing room. And it helped. And also meditating. The whole time, I thought I was gonna fall asleep because I'm so tired, but I didn't. The noise was just so loud. I didn't sleep, but I was able to meditate and just transport myself to a better place to me, it's like the beach. I love water, so I'm just mentally there. I check myself out and mentally I'm there. And I just relaxed, and the 30 minutes went by so quickly. They did 10 minutes of just the machine taking pictures of my body, skeletal tissue, I don't know, just taking pictures of inside my body. And then they took me out, injected me with something, and it does this, it's like a contrast that when they put you back into the machine, they could see cancer, I guess. So, yeah. Anyways, I'm done with that finally. I'm finally done with that. I don't have to worry about it. And now going to grab sushi with my long lost middle school BFF. We're gonna go grab sushi. Wait, is this? Yeah. We're gonna go grab sushi, so I'm actually super excited. And yeah, just gonna drive there. I don't know exactly where it's at, so I'm going to get on my phone and navigate my way there. Okay.
But they say since he was a youth, he should be eligible now. Now the only thing is we don't know for.
So I'm home now, and I think I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the day, do some cleaning, editing, and probably order dinner tonight. So I'll catch you up then. So for dinner, I'm having this triple beam salad. It's string bean salad, I think that's what it's called, and half of pizza. I probably will not finish this, but I'm gonna try. And just some water. Just some water and watching YouTube videos. So I have showered and put a mask on and a bunch of oil on my face to go to bed and watching Netflix. So that was my day. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I will bring some more vlogs your way. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye. Oh my gosh, it's so dark.